I love when it does that and it gives me that little random thumbnail. So, check it out. We came back. I've got the lid mounted. Everything went swimmingly. It didn't actually have any issues in any way, shape, or form. I decided instead to take a quick moment and figure out camera position. So we're just, sitting there and enjoying that and figuring out what we're doing. And then, so momentarily though, I'm going to find my speaker that I had. Because I lost it apparently. It's behind the tall speaker box. Duh. So by the way, I never actually went over this. These are the Pile 2-way 4-inch Blue Label speakers. They're 180 watts, they're 4 ohms. It's an excellent system. Idea. I love it. I feel like my speaker wire's too too thin for what I want to do right now, because I want to make nice tabs for these guys so that when I mount them on the box, they're nice and well mounted, and then I can go and just open things and make them whatever, so that's cool. It's a pretty sick little system though, I'm not even gonna lie, like, this is rad. I lost my screws. There's a screw loose, I've lost them, they're all like missing. There it is. And in fact, all of the speakers that I have are the same. This is the Pile Gear 6-inch sub. And these are the 4s. Except for the tweeters, those are We Like It Louds. But, again, it's just another internet purchase. There we go. I don't know. It's a good angle. Can everybody see what's going on? Maybe angle down a little bit. And you'll notice I still haven't painted anything, not until I've finished exactly what I want to do. Am I planning on actually painting? So, just so you guys know. Doesn't need to be that deep. Just going into the metal. Can you dig it? Disaster. So, I've got some wires to make. Let's bust out our handy dandy wire cutters. Set these guys off to the side and find our tips. So hey, baby. Oh. Hi, baby. What's that? My battery?
Oh yeah? Was a little...
I left my lights on when I came home and the mailman let me know. So I put it on charge. Alright. Bye.